What is up, guys? Paul James here. Welcome to this very special video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make upwards of $3,000 every time that you repeat the exact method I'm going to show you. And the best part is I'm going to show you how to get started 100% free using free tools, and I'm going to show you a secret search string that you can use on Google to actually uncover the perfect opportunities for this strategy to work. And the best part is you can do this from anywhere in the world, any experience level, as long as you just follow the simple steps I'm going to share with you in today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive in and break down how this works. Now, if you like strategies like this and these types of videos, let me know by commenting yes below so that I know to make more of them. And also, I've been more active on Instagram lately. Feel free to follow me there at HelloPaulJames if you're not already. Okay, so let's start off with the secret search string that we're going to use to actually implement this method. I don't want to waste any time. I want to get right into it. I recommend that you write this down. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into Google and you're going to want to type in the phrase, "This site was designed with Wix," and then in quotation marks, you're going to put a city or a keyword here. Now, I did the keyword Milwaukee because that's the city I want to target, but I could easily swap this out for anything I want. Orlando, Rockford, Scottsdale. You get the point, right? So you're going to swap that out and you're going to do some searches, and you can see there's a lot of results that pop up for this. So what you want to do next is you want to go and you want to start opening up some of these websites. And the easiest and quickest way to do this is just to hold down either the command key on your keyboard if you're on a Mac or the control key if you're on a Windows, and click it. And what it'll do, it'll open up the site in a new window. So as you go through and you start opening all these ones that look like different businesses, you're going to get a bunch of different tabs opening up of different websites. Now, what we're doing here is we're identifying websites that people made on their own using like a drag and drop platform like Wix. Usually, these websites typically are poorly designed. You can see just the couple that I pulled up already. They're not great, right? Like, you can make a lot better website in a lot faster time, and I'll actually show you how to do that in this video with a couple clicks of a mouse using a free tool I'm going to share with you. And the cool part about this is that these websites, once you actually show the business owner that you can build them something a lot better, you can sell these for upwards of $3,000. And if you don't feel comfortable starting there, because I didn't at first I started a lot lower than that. I remember some of my first websites I charged as little as $500 for, which I kind of wish I would have charged more, but I didn't have the confidence back then to charge a lot. So now I would at least charge $1,500, more so up to $3,000. But if you want to start off low, by all means, to get your feet wet, do it. Hey, if you want to do some of these for free a couple times just to get your feet wet, do it. But I'm going to share with you the strategy of how this works and how you can get one of these people on board to pay you money for doing this. So we're going to need to actually show them an example, because probably you don't have a clientele yet, right? You're probably just starting off. You don't really have any existing websites that you've built to show them. So the best way to convince someone to give you money is to do a little bit of work ahead of time. Thankfully, we can use some tools to make that pretty easy, as simple as pushing a button. And I'm going to share that with you. So let's just say, for example, we wanted to sell MilwaukeeClassicPizza.com, a new website. What we would do is we would go to a tool, and the tool that I'm going to be using in this video is called High Level. And I'll leave a link in the description of this video to actually get a 30-day free trial. And if you use that link below this video, you'll get a 30-day free trial to actually implement this strategy, use all of the templates that I'm going to be using in this video, and get started for free. So basically, you're going to be able to get started, make money for free without having to pay anything, which is nice. But inside of High Level, they have a tab on the side here called Sites once you log in, okay? And under Sites, you're going to come up to the top and click Websites, and you're going to create a new website. And under the website section, we have From Templates, and this is a section that's pretty important if you've never done this kind of stuff before, because they have all kinds of different templates. Like, they have ones just for restaurant. I don't know if they have one specifically for pizza restaurant. I don't think they do, no. But they do have one for restaurant, and they have dozens and dozens and dozens of websites in here, from car window tinting to floral shop. So you'll find something in here. Plumber, dermatology, like they have pretty much everything. There's nothing really that's left untouched. So you can preview what the website looks like by clicking the little eyeball button. So that looks good, right? This is something that would go really well for this Milwaukee Classic Pizza. And we don't need to make this perfect, by the way. We just want to get them something up and running. So we're going to click to use that template. But we just want to get something up and running to actually show them that, hey, we can do for you what we say we can do, and we can get you something that looks a whole lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and edit my restaurant website here. and click edit on the homepage. Now they don't have a logo on their website. It would be really nice if they did, because then we could actually put that onto the demo site that we're gonna show them and actually really make it personable. So if they have that, it's really nice if you can just, save that and upload it, because it's really easy to upload. You just upload it as a logo right down here under the logo section here. But since they don't have that, we can't do that. But what we could do is we could add in like their phone number. We could say something like order now, add in their phone number. We could change this background to be maybe like pizza. So I went to unsplash.com, which is basically a free stock photo site, and I found an image of some pizza. I'm just gonna go ahead and download that. It's free to download, and I'm gonna upload that as the background to their site quickly. Okay, so I've just swapped that image out. Now look at that. That quickly, we've taken a site using one of these free restaurant templates, and we've turned it into a pizza restaurant site that's customized to them with their phone number. Ideally, we would want to put their logo on it, but we just don't have that. And we can go ahead and preview this now by clicking the little eyeball button, and it's going to open it up in a preview. Now we have a couple of different options from this point. We need to get in touch with this business owner and email them either a link to the preview so that they can check it out, and then we can pitch them on how much it costs. Or if you really want to take things to the next level, I recommend using a free tool called Loom. So go to loom.com, click Get Loom for free. And basically it allows you to record little screen share videos like I'm recording for you right now. It puts this little thing up here at the top, and you just click start recording, and then it gives you a link to share with the business owner. So I basically would do that, and I would just walk through and show them the preview of the website that I built for them and explain to them who I am, and that I've done a little bit of work ahead of time. I would love to customize it further for them and ask them to get in touch with me. And then I would email that off to them. And then from there, I can send them a PayPal or a Stripe invoice, like however you want to take payment, cash if they're in the area, or check. And I would make $3,000. So you can see just how easy this strategy is. So to recap, what you're going to do is you're going to go over into Google. You're going to type in this site was designed with the Wix, and then put in the city name that you want to target. You're going to go and start opening up all these different websites. You're going to quickly, using High Level, and by the way, use the link in the description of this video to get a free 30-day trial. You can only get that through me under this video, okay? And you're gonna quickly build them out a demo of their site, which takes like 30 seconds. And then you're going to either email them a preview link to that, or you're gonna shoot a quick Loom video and email that over to them. You're gonna ask if they want any other changes. You're gonna quickly go in here, make those changes, and you're gonna collect $3,000 to deliver the final product to them. All of this can be hosted right on High Level, so you don't have to do anything from this point. You're just good to go. So with that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this very special strategy that I wanted to share with you today. Again, if you're not following me on Instagram, go over to @HelloPaulJames to follow me there, and comment yes if you want to see more videos like this. Until next time, I am Paul James. Peace out.